Getting a news alert this morning on Kohl's announcing some new leadership today. Our Courtney Reagan just got off the phone with the now permanent CEO, Court.
That's right, Carl. Good morning. So Kohl's announces the third CEO in the last 3 years or so. Interim CEO and board member Michael Bender has been named permanent CEO. This was done after an external search, I'm told. Kohl's has struggled recently, but the street seems hopeful about its turnaround. Shares up here today and up 138% since Bender stepped in on May 1st. I spoke with him this morning, and he said, since I've started in May, I always looked at this really in the role as a CEO. It's the only way I know how to do it. This job is one way, and just to do it. We're really focused on just trying to drive the business. We're still maybe headed towards close to the middle innings. And for me, it's a good thing because it means there's still good work to be done and ideas and challenges to bring forward and solve. And then I asked him if he thought the middle income consumer, the one Kohl's typically serves, is disappearing. And he said, I don't think so. He thinks they're more discerning, choiceful, that word we hear a lot, about the dollars that they spend, but they want us to curate the assortment. And then he says, I'm really trying to bring more of a winning attitude and a culture here that helps us feel like there is a reason to believe. And if we pay attention to the customer and really get inside their head, understand what they're asking for from us, and deliver that better than whoever we're competing against, we stand a chance of winning. Sarah?
Okay. It's, some sort of existential thoughts there, it sounds like, from the new Kohl's CEO.
So let's talk about Kohl's. This is the monthly chart. And for IC traders out there, we have this liquidity grab. This was the pandemic lows. Price has now not only pierced, but now has closed above this, what was a monthly seller's level at $20. This candle, November candle, if it closed today, would close above. And so we call this a flip zone. I'm going to call that monthly. Buyers now at $16. We had a rally in price, two basic candles, and then a rally out. Now volume's weak, so be mindful of that. If price is going to continue to higher, look for 32 to be your first target based on these rejection wicks. Let's zoom down to the weekly chart. All right, so after looking at the weekly chart, we're going to make this $28 first level, first target. All right, you have support, support, resistance, resistance. All right, let's drill down to the daily chart. So that extended range green candle we saw on a monthly consists of multiple extended range candles on a daily, including a gap. And so here's the setup. Although price may not get back to this level before hitting the target. However, if you believe in Kohl's, you think the turnaround is in place, you think the lows are in, look for a pullback, then to take it long. Again, first target, $28. Second target is going to be at this $36 level.